deliver to you anywhere you are. Well, customer send the pallet to the old address that used to be over there. They knock it down. They're doing construction. The new address is over here. As you know, we didn't move too far. Middle of a busy road. The truck man, he can't even get in there. So what? We bring a truck out and we meet him. Just the way we yeah, it's busy, man. I gotta stay out of the street. Just the way we're willing to pick up your packages and bring it to you anywhere you are. We'll pick up your package no matter where you are. We'll pick up your package. So we're gonna get it out, get it in the back of this truck here, and bring it over to the warehouse. Yeah, so we're working with the driver today to get it done. You gotta stay out of the street. It's plenty busy on University Drive. Most people think we want to do small stuff. Let me show you this. We do anything, big or big or small. It doesn't matter, we'll do it. We got it in the back of the truck. His truck can't come over there. That's a short semi. I think it could come in through the long way. But yeah, it can't come over there. So got it in the back of the truck. We're getting ready to roll. We'll sign for it and so we could roll. Just going around the corner. I didn't even bother to strap this little box on. I just drove right back in with it just like that. But we picked up everything. This customer ordered a bunch of stuff, including a garbage can. Can you believe it? Everything including the garbage can. Yep. Folks ship all sorts of stuff to Jamaica. But